More than 300 firefighters battled a wildfire that scorched at least 78 acres in Southern California. The fire broke out before 4:30 p.m. in the Lake Sherwood area of Ventura County, about 40 miles west of Los Angeles. Multiple agencies arrived on the scene to contain the blaze, with helicopters and aeroplanes dropping water and fire retardant on flames. Officials said no structures were immediately threatened, but aerial video showed the fire approaching residential communities.
Ignition, lift off.
If you don't represent women in politics,